Hey everyone, I just want to tell you thank you for 30 subs, and yeah, we're going to do a special soon, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm only one call away, I'll be there to save the day. Superman's got nothing on me, I'm only one call away. Tua, body ma, tua, body ma, tua, body ma. Ideas for a 30 sub special. And ignore that it says sun instead of sub. Let me fix that real quick. It annoys me too, don't worry. I don't know why I couldn't have just exited it out and write it on top, but oh well. Anyway, number 1, prank call someone. This I have done before, but what I mean someone is that I mean like my mom or someone, or I don't know. And number 2 is tell my mom weird stuff. Number 3 is eat weird stuff, like maybe like a worm, or I have no idea. Just weird stuff. Number 4 is like heat challenge. What I mean by that is not like hot from like the sun or anything. What I mean by that is that I mean like 5 jalapenos or something like that. And number 5 is a nail art tutorial, and I'm not the best, but it's work. And number 6 is a slime ASMR. Those are just what came to mind now. So it might change, but no promises. Oh yeah, and show my key. I'm like showing. She's right here right now. So yeah. And then we could do something else. I am not sure. But yeah, let's look something up. Well, might as well do something while we're here, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, let's go ahead and do something. I don't know. Hello. So we're gonna go ahead and do a talk time. That's what I do when I just start talking. Talk time. So yeah, I have started regular school, so there's less time to do it, but I do it when I get the chance, and I usually try uploading 2 to 3 videos. My brother does a few videos. I don't know if you actually watch them, but yeah, he has not taken over, I promise. It's just that I haven't really been at the time with homework and then studying, and then my problems like that doesn't include school, and then I have no idea what else. So yeah, I have no idea, you know, I just don't find time. But you know, if I do what's the word, find time to do it, do a video, I sure try to do the best videos I can. But you guys does not give me suggestions. You need to start giving me suggestions, you know, because that's probably why my YouTube is rising so slowly, is because I never get to do anything, you know, stuff that I haven't already done. So yeah, my brother hasn't taken over. I know I said this a million times, but like, and my goal at my surgery has gone fine. I still can't do anything for a fucking week, which sucks ass. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but yeah, peace, love, bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Goodbye. Go to sleep now. Oh, I know you want to. Good night, baby. Okay, yeah, I just weird. Okay, bye.